For years, the idea of getting internet directly from a satellite to your phone felt like pure science fiction, a dream reserved for futuristic movies and wild imaginations. In reality, our phones have always depended on a patchwork of cell towers. If you're out of range, your smartphone is basically a brick, unable to connect or communicate. The dream was always to have a connection that works anywhere on the planet, whether you're deep in the wilderness, high on a mountain, or sailing across the ocean. Satellite phones did exist, but they were clunky, expensive, and impractical for everyday use, more like tools for explorers and emergency responders than for the average person. The real challenge was getting a sleek, pocket-sized smartphone to talk to a fast-moving satellite in space, all without needing a giant, awkward antenna sticking out. But technology has finally caught up. Now we're seeing the first steps. Some phones can send emergency satellite messages, even when you're far from any cell tower. It's a huge safety upgrade, offering peace of mind in remote places, but it's still limited, slow, basic, and only for emergencies, not for everyday browsing or streaming. The real goal is seamless, persistent internet from space, just like your home Wi-Fi or 5G, but available everywhere you go, no matter how remote. And now in 2026, the conversation has shifted from if to when. The technology is advancing rapidly and the world is watching. The biggest tech players are moving fast, investing billions, and the idea of a truly always connected smartphone is quickly becoming reality. This isn't just another feature, it's a fundamental change in what a smartphone can do, opening up new possibilities for work, safety, and staying connected. Billions could soon have connectivity anywhere on Earth, bridging the digital divide and bringing the world closer together than ever before. The sci-fi dream is about to become an everyday tool, transforming how we live, travel, and communicate, no matter where we are on the planet. The tech world is buzzing with excitement and speculation about a potential partnership between two industry titans, Samsung and SpaceX. Samsung, the Android giant known for its innovation in mobile devices, and SpaceX, the leader in space technology and satellite internet, could soon team up to bring Starlink satellite internet directly to Galaxy smartphones, changing the way we connect forever. For Samsung, this is a golden opportunity to leap ahead in a crowded and competitive market with a truly game-changing feature that no other smartphone brand can currently offer. Imagine a phone that works anywhere on Earth. No more dead zones, no matter if you're hiking in the mountains, traveling through rural countryside, or relaxing on a deserted beach. Connectivity would be truly global. For SpaceX, it's a way to put Starlink in billions of pockets without the need to build or sell new hardware, instantly expanding their user base and making satellite internet more accessible than ever before. Samsung brings the devices, the brand recognition, and a massive global reach. SpaceX brings the satellites, the advanced network, and the expertise in delivering internet from space. Together, they could finally solve the challenge of direct-to-cell connectivity, bridging the gap between urban and remote areas. This isn't just a rumor. Multiple sources say talks are real, active, and progressing, with both companies exploring the possibilities. It's a classic case of two giants combining their unique strengths to create something revolutionary that neither could achieve alone. SpaceX gets instant access to a massive global user base, accelerating Starlink's adoption worldwide. Samsung gets a killer feature to set its phones apart from the competition, making Galaxy devices even more desirable. The result? The next major leap in mobile communication, with seamless connectivity that could redefine how we use our phones. The future of smartphones could truly be written in the stars, as technology and innovation reach new heights together. How does a regular smartphone talk to a satellite? The answer: Starlink's direct-to-cell system. SpaceX's new satellites act as floating cell towers, using advanced antennas to connect with standard smartphone chips. Your phone just sees another cell tower, even though it's moving at 27,000 tower kilometers overhead. No bulky hardware, no special modems, just standard LTE and 5G protocols. In cities, you use regular towers. Out of range, your phone switches to Starlink satellites. The engineering is wild. Satellites handle Doppler shifts and hand off connections as they fly by. Early service will be limited. Texting, calls, basic web browsing. Bandwidth per user will be modest, but it's enough to turn dead zones into connected zones. It's not about streaming movies in the wilderness yet, but for messaging, maps, and email, it's a revolution. The dead zone is about to disappear. Samsung is uniquely positioned to bring satellite connectivity to the masses. As the world's largest smartphone maker, they have the scale to make new tech a global standard. Their deep hardware expertise means they can optimize every part of the phone for satellite use. Samsung's history of pioneering features, big screens, OLED, foldables, shows they're not afraid to take risks. Integrating satellite tech fits their pattern of bold innovation. Their global reach means a feature like this could help people everywhere, from cities to the most remote locations. No other Android brand has the same combination of scale, technical skill, and reputation. While Apple has emergency satellite messaging, Samsung could leap ahead with a more open, versatile service. The Galaxy line is the perfect launchpad for the next era of mobile communication. What will this look like for users? Expect a freemium model. Every compatible Samsung phone could get basic satellite connectivity for free, enough for texts, maps, and simple web searches. It's a safety net. You're never truly disconnected, no matter where you are. For most, regular 5G or Wi-Fi will do the heavy lifting, but when you're out of range, satellite kicks in automatically. Need more? Pay for premium tiers, faster speeds, more data, maybe even streaming or video calls. Buy a day, week, or month of high-speed satellite access as needed. This flexible model is perfect for occasional use, camping, travel, emergencies. Users get peace of mind. Samsung gets a killer feature. SpaceX gets millions of small recurring payments. It's like software as a service, but for global connectivity. Revolutionary, but practical. The future of mobile internet is flexible, reliable, and everywhere. Universal satellite internet could be life-changing for billions in areas with poor or no coverage. In many parts of the world, reliable internet is still a luxury. A phone with satellite connectivity could bridge the digital divide, helping small businesses, students, and families stay connected. It's not about high-speed streaming, but about enabling the basics: messaging, maps, information. In disasters, when cell towers fail, satellite phones could keep emergency responders and citizens connected. It's a lifeline for entire communities, not just a convenience for travelers. This technology democratizes access to information and communication. It levels the playing field, making connectivity possible anywhere. For many, it could be their first reliable link to the digital world. The smartphone becomes a tool that works everywhere, for everyone. The vision of global space-based internet is undeniably exciting, promising to connect even the most remote corners of the world. But as with any ambitious technological leap, there are significant challenges and obstacles that must be overcome before this dream becomes a reality. One major issue is bandwidth. Each satellite must serve a vast area, and as more people try to connect, speeds can drop dramatically. This means that in densely populated regions, users might experience slow connections, especially during peak times. On top of that, every country has its own complex set of rules and regulations about which radio frequencies can be used for communication. Companies like SpaceX and Samsung will need to secure approval in every market they want to enter, a process that is often slow, highly political, and filled with bureaucratic hurdles. Existing telecom giants who have invested billions in building their networks and infrastructure may not welcome this new competition. They have a lot at stake and may resist change. These companies could lobby governments to restrict or even block satellite services, especially if they see a threat to their lucrative roaming revenue streams. The business and political landscape is just as challenging and competitive as the engineering side of things, making progress slow and uncertain. Physics also plays a role. Satellite service works best with a clear view of the sky, so it struggles indoors or in cities with lots of tall buildings and dense infrastructure. Early on, users should expect lower speeds and higher latency compared to what they get with 5G networks, especially in challenging environments. Space-based internet isn't meant to replace terrestrial networks, but rather to serve as a crucial backup and to reach places that traditional networks can't. Setting realistic expectations for performance and availability will be absolutely key to user satisfaction and adoption. Overcoming these obstacles will require time, persistent negotiation, and continuous innovation from both engineers and policymakers. Still, the potential benefits are simply too significant to ignore, offering hope for a more connected and inclusive world. The race is on, and the world is watching as companies strive to make this bold vision a reality. The Samsung-SpaceX partnership is just one sign of a tech future that's more connected and intelligent. Consider the Longevity Mirror by Neurologics, a health monitoring mirror using AI to track your wellness. The XGIMI XGO N6 projector, a portable AI-powered device that projects stable images anywhere, even on the move. Cozilla Calendar Plus 2, a smart family planner with a big e-ink display, syncing everyone's schedules in one place, and the Voxen VX2, a volumetric 3D display that creates true 3D images floating in mid-air, no glasses needed. These innovations show technology is moving off our screens and into our lives, health, and homes. From satellite phones to 3D displays, the future is about seamless, everywhere connectivity. Technology is becoming woven into our environment and our relationships. The next era is coming fast, and it's going to be amazing.